Hello, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to talk about the ampersand in Excel. So, if you're frustrated with the ampersand right now, it's probably for one of two reasons. First of all, I will just show you can type an ampersand and it does stay, but the place that it doesn't stay is in the header. So you can see when I click in the header, I have an ampersand, but as soon as I click off it, oh my goodness, it's gone. Where does it go? Here's the little secret. Type an ampersand twice. Click off it and it shows up once. That actually applies to all versions of Excel. It's never been addressed. However, if you're looking to use the ampersand in order to concatenate, you can. It is a formula. So, for example, I can type equals, and I'm going to say I want A2, and I'm going to use and in this case I'm looking for a space. So I'm going to put my quotes, type a space, quotes, put another ampersand, choose the other cell I want. When I hit return, there it is. I just put those two cells together. So I hope that helps. Use that pesky ampersand either in the header, if that's where you're looking for it, or how to use a formula to actually combine information from two cells into one. Thanks for watching.